A group of cats lounges in their favorite sunlit room when a strange sound suddenly fills the air. The indoor water fountain, usually a soothing background noise, begins to gurgle and sputter unexpectedly. One brave feline rises first, ears perked, tail twitching, and pads cautiously toward the source. The others follow, a curious procession with wide eyes and hesitant steps. They gather around the fountain, sniffing and circling, each cat assessing the situation in their own unique way. Their cautious investigation turns into a shared moment of feline fascination and teamwork.